Hello, welcome to Spy Money. We are trading 20 Apex accounts today. If you haven't done so, we have a coupon 70% off on our website. It is good through October 25th, so it depends on when you're listening to this video. Apex teamed up with me, allowed me to give a better offer to our subscribers and our customers and just people and going to our website. Anybody can use the coupon. But we are trading 20 Apex accounts. These are all $50,000 accounts. And this short, I'm not really that big of a fan on, but I'm going to let it take it. We're trading 2 contracts. We're going for $150 a contract, so it'll be $300 if we hit this target. A lot of people ask, do you have to move anything? No. You can just let the bot do its thing. But the way this is bouncing off of this support down here, I'm not really sure that this is going to come all the way down here. So this may not be that great of a trade. But we went ahead and took it. We're looking like it's going to probably come back up to the low and keep on going. I probably shouldn't have allowed the short on this one. And as far as knowing how to trade, really what you need to do is just kind of look back in the past and trade the trend is the best way. But coming back down to our balance level TP3, which these indicators are all included in the Ninja Suite. We'll talk about the Ninja Suite shortly. There's a good chance that'll come back down to where we can actually get a profit down here. If not, then we'll take a loss on it, then we'll make up for it on the next one. You don't have to move any of your stops or anything. The bot does everything for you. I tend to move mine sometimes because I can see levels, and I'll move it to those levels, and a lot of times make more money. This one right here, I'm kind of regretting letting that take it short because you can see this is actually making a higher high here, but I was kind of hoping, which is not good to trade with, hoping that we would get one more pullback down. You can close out the trade anytime you want. You can see we are trading all accounts over here. Actually, that one is not trading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, that is right. That one up there is an old account that I do not use. There we go. These are the 20 accounts that is trading. Again, you can close this out anytime you want. You can even turn off the longs off, the shorts off, to where if you just want to trade longs only, you turn these shorts off right here, and it won't take a short. It'll only take the longs. Only thing we're looking for really is $300 a day. If you can make $300 a day, you pass your evaluations and you make good money. $300 times 20, it's going to be $6,000 a day. $6,000 a day on 20 accounts is really good. And to only be making $300, it makes it a little bit better. As you can see, all accounts are trading. And again, if you feel uncomfortable, just click the close all button. Get out of the trade. There's always another trade. On this one, when we get down in here, if we do, I'll probably bring my stop down just because of the way this is right here. Our institution is showing that it is getting bullish here. That's what the green is about. Green is bullish. But that doesn't mean that it won't come back and be able to take the profit and then go. It's just showing that the institutions are actually coming back into play. Usually when you get your first one off of a lot of drop, you'll have another pullback, and then once you have that pullback, then it will take off. But if we get $300 here, that's all we need for the day. It gives $6,000 in one day. You can see all the accounts, well, all but these. Now they're all green. Now, when you go across the accounts, you're going to have a little bit of slippage between them. And when you get a little bit of slippage, that's why you will see just a little bit of difference in price. It's usually 1, maybe 2 ticks or so, but whatever the entry is, the stop and the profit target is still the same. As far as how far away, it'll be different across the charts, but so you may see like these will take profit before these will. But again, anytime you feel uncomfortable, just click the close all button. All of these will close almost instantaneous. It's a little bit of delay. This bot trades up to 20 additional accounts. So you could trade, say, a live account and then 20 Apex accounts. So you could trade across multiple accounts. I'm going to bring this one on down to here. That way, if it does reverse, it'll at least get us in the next trade. That's the only reason I moved this down. Now, when I move this down, all 20 accounts move at the same time. If I move this profit target, they all move. So everything is synced to this one chart. Now, you always want to have either your account open or your positions tab open. You have your positions tab that will show you all the accounts, and that's what you need to do. Because you need to make sure that all of the accounts are closing out. I have not had any issue, but you always want to do that. I know that some people using the copiers and stuff like that will sometimes have hanging trades. You need to make sure everything is closed out. Now our momentum is starting to come down. That doesn't mean it won't go up, but it's starting to come down. And our institution is getting ready to cross a 0. When it crosses 0, I feel more comfortable that it will just keep dropping. Again, all we need is one trade. A lot of people ask, well, how do you know when to turn on the trade? All you have to do is just look in the past and see how it's trading. If you see a lot of losers, don't turn it on. If you see that there's winners in there, turn it on. If you see that there's chop, as soon as you break out your chop, then you can get it turned back on. Now, I don't feel real comfortable right now on this trade. Part of me just wants to close it out and wait on another one. I'd like to see at least get down to here, maybe bring her stop in there and see where it goes. It'd be nice if it went on down and just hit this and be done. But when you get around our balance levels, that is an area that will sometimes chop up on you. But again, like I said, usually when you get that first green institution, it will usually pull back in here and then run up. And it has pulled back about 8 or 9 points. So I'd like to at least get it down into here, get my break even in, and then we can just make it on the next trade. The next long should push right on up if it don't do it now. It's this level right here. If we stop out, that's fine. We'll get the next trade. It's not that much money. Across 20 accounts it is, but if you look at it as just this one, it's not too bad. This bright green that we had is a good sign that it's going to go ahead and push. When you see bright green, pretty good feeling to go long, but you can see right here we had a bright green and it still reversed. So it does happen. If we can get back down into here, I'll go and put my stop. Maybe it's a small profit that we take, but then again, it's profit. I don't like the hesitation of it right now. It's kind of slow right now. We have news coming up at 8:30 Eastern time. Now you don't have to move the stops and targets and stuff, but the better trained you get with different things and seeing what's going on, then you move them. If we were still in the downtrend and coming down, if we were up in here, my target would be right here for the profit target. So you just get better with your trading. We teach all this as far as how to use all these indicators and your levels and so forth. I'd like to see another low right there. That orange bar right there was good. That's a sign that this zero is coming down. You get that orange bar, then you're into the red down here. So it's trying to change on us. I almost put my stop in right there and didn't do it. I just don't feel that it's going to push down. We may get just a sudden burst come down. I like the orange bar. The orange bar makes me feel a lot better about it. Right now, we could close it out $100. That's $2,000. $100 across 20 accounts is a lot of money. I'm gonna put my stop in there. We'll take a little bit of profit right there. That's fine. I don't feel real comfortable. It's not pushing down as hard as I wanted. So we're just going to go ahead and wait for the next long because the long will be the one. Even if it does push down, we still took profit. So we're up just under $2,000 just in this little trade right here. If it pushes down, that's fine. We can take the next long. The next long should be pretty good. We are not really pushing down that hard, and I just don't feel comfortable. And again, when you don't feel comfortable, just get out. You see over here on the 1 minute, the 1 minute is trying to turn up. So you don't have to make all your money on one trade. That's what you have to remember. A lot of people think that well, I want to get in the top and I'm going to sell that, or get in at the bottom and I'm going to sell at the top, and then a lot of times they'll get in down here and you'll go up and you'll come down and stop them out where they could have taken $500 or whatever. Well, that's not the kind of trading I do. I would rather take a little profits every time. They all add up. So if we hadn't taken profit there, we would now be less. Of course, we could have got a little more, but you're looking 52.25, so another point right there. That would have been great. Every point is $500 across. Actually, no, see, every point would be $1,000 across all 20 accounts. Every point's $1,000. And we took 63. We took 3/4 point, or yeah, 3/4 point right there. But when it's not moving very good, and you have that hesitation, that's a good sign you probably ought to just get out. If you can take a little bit of profit, move on, you're better off to do that. All we need is one more trade and we can be done. That's all we need. We have our 1 minute chart over here. A 1 minute chart is good to watch because it will a lot of times give you the direction. You can see right here is all zone area. See how it's pushing up now? So we did right by just going ahead and taking that little bit of profit. Again, we're up almost $2,000 right now. You could quit right now and have a good day. Nothing wrong with that. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 14 accounts that did $100. There's $1,400, and then there's 17, 18, $1,850 is what we're at. Now sometimes all of those are the same. Sometimes they'll enter exactly the same. It'll just vary sometimes. Now where we would have been, let's see, we were at 53, so that would be 50. We would have to hit that line for it to get the full target. No regrets. No FOMO here. Now, a lot of people, they'll say, oh, it's going down, so I'm going to hop back in. Well, no, you don't do that. You just wait. You get the next trade. You wait till the next trade and make your money there. No FOMO. Fear of missing out is what FOMO is. And that is what causes the majority of people losing money. Is they miss the trade, they miss the entry they're supposed to go in, and then after it takes off, they say, oh, I'm going to get in, and as soon as they get in, it pulls back and stops them out because they didn't get in right. When you miss the trade and you get in, you have a lot of retail, or not retail, but a lot of institutions are now taking profit, and then when they start taking profit, it reverses on you, and then you get stopped out. And then you want to blame the institutions because you think, oh, they got me. No, you didn't trade right. You didn't get in right. You know that the majority on this bot, there's very few times, and I'm talking very few, that you don't get 1 point on every trade. Now, to get to 1 point, the problem is if it enters and then reverses and comes back on you, and let's say it's 3 points, then you are going to have to take 3 winners to make up for that loser. So if we can get one more winner, get this next long that goes up, then we can go ahead and be done for the day. I'll pull this over here a little bit, and let's bring, oh, where are we? I'll show you what the Ninja Suite is while we're waiting on this. The Ninja Suite is a package of bots, indicators, training, live trading. I do some live trading a little bit. Here's a video that kind of explains a little bit about it. It is a 30-day lease. You cannot buy this. You can't buy one bot or anything. Nothing's for sale. It's all for lease. And you get all the indicators on the website. Plus you get a bunch more that are not even listed here. There's more indicators we have. As I make more indicators and bots, you get them. Right now we currently have 4 bots, and actually 5. I just released one called Coastal. Coastal trades a 100% price action. And last night, I believe that we had, I think the last count was 13 wins and 5 losses. That was at 6 o'clock this morning, 600 Eastern time. So that's 3 hours after the London session, and that's running up from the Open, I believe. So 13 wins, 5 losses. It's profitable today. Today's the first day we've run it, and it's doing real well. There's no indicators whatsoever. It's 100% price action. And then we have a Discord room. In the Discord room, this is where we talk about everything. This is where it's all happening. I post what I'm doing, what I'm trading, settings I'm using, on and on and on. I give the updates on any kind of indicators, anything I'm working on, or anything like that. So this is really invaluable to a trader. It is it's really the best. But you can't get in here unless you're a part of the Ninja Suite. I have a lot of different indicators. There's some videos and so forth. Down here at the bottom, you click here to lease the Ninja Suite. Now the Ninja Suite, like I said, is only for lease. It's not for sale. It does work on funded accounts. And currently, as of right now, Apex, that's what we are recommending if you want to do the plan that we're doing. I'm on 20 accounts right now, so 20 accounts, you make just a little bit of money. You've made a lot of money for the day, and that's all you need. Now, there are 3 differences here. Apex, by far, is the best one to go with for long term, especially trading the multiple accounts like we do with these bots.
Order submitted.
Then we have, that is our Coastal bot that I'm running on another chart, that noise. But you have the UProfit is good. If you just want to make some quick cash and fund your account, that's a good one to do. This one takes longer. There's a lot more steps. I like the UProfit better than the Earn the Trade. But like I said, long term, Apex is your winner. Customer service second to none. It's just a good place. Real cheap. Right now,
submitted.
You have 70% off. So 70% off with this coupon right here. So
Order
anybody
canceled.
can use it. Oh, look at that. We've almost come down to it. So it is coming down. Now, you can't see it, but a Coastal just took profit. But it took 1 point on that. That's what Coastal did. So Apex is, here's a coupon for that. Here's a coupon for UProfit. And if you click the logos up here, these, they get you to those places. When you click this one, automatically puts your discount in. I think this one does too. I think this one will do it as well. This one you have to put in this code down here. All in all, I have a video on YouTube. I go over these 3 in detail about what I think is best. For what we're doing in our Discord room, the Ninja Suite, we are all doing Apex accounts. And a bunch of us are doing 20 accounts. So as you can see, $100 trade adds up to a lot of money. You don't have to have a lot. If you can just you can go for 1 point, you're going to be $1,000 every point. And if you want to talk to me, if you got questions, come up here to contact us. Scroll down here, put in your information, and if you need to talk to me, put your phone number in and tell me what time zone you're in and when's the best time to call you. And I'll try to work it out to where I can talk to you during that time. We have a lot of customers across the world. It's amazing, actually. We have, just tons of people across the world, across the pond, as I call it. But if you have any questions, let me know. That's how we do it. Come into, Don't know what happened there. There it is. That's been internet. But right here, there is a lot of good information talking about different things. You can lease it from right here. And here's, like I said, a good video to watch. So right now we're looking for a long. If we can get a long off of this here, probably go to right there. We're just going to let the bot run the profit target. Just try to go in, try to get our $300 here. We already made $100, so we can get $400 and we're done for the day. So if we can make three, that'd be $400 across 20 accounts is $8,000. How much money do you need? Now, the one thing about this is you can trade up to 10 contracts on this. So if you, instead of trading 2, you could trade 10, and 10 contracts would be $3,000 per trade. I'm sorry, $1,500 per trade. Across 20 accounts is $30,000. We use multiplication here, not addition. We like to multiply our profits, not add our profits. Again, no FOMO here. That is 52.25. We could have got another 1 point here. That would have been another $1,000 on the trade. But I'm okay with where we are. I'll wait on the next long, take it, and hopefully get our full profit. Our momentum down here, our histogram, is showing the sell-off right here. But before I would want to be in a long short, I would want that to be down below. Just like over here, when it crossed down below, that told me that we're just going to keep on going. And even though we had these blues and everything in here, until we got to right here, right here is where I'm looking at longs more. Same thing back here. You go back in here, right here's your longs. Not a good short because you're above your zero. And that's why I was nervous about this short right here, because we were above our zero. Again, these indicators are all included in the Ninja Suite. You get them all. Now, last night I ran the Coastal, the new SpyBot Coastal. I ran it on a live account last night before I went to bed. I didn't let it run overnight. I don't recommend using bots unattended. I let it run into yesterday's session, and it was up over 100%. So a $500 trade, yes, and we were up just over $500 on it. And right now it is setting at $400. It had one loss before I went to bed, and I almost turned it off before then and didn't do it. If you can make 500, or if you can make 50% of your trade, meaning if you're trading $500, if you can make $250, that's good money. I think when this one takes off, it's probably going to burst up to the London low. I think that's where we're going. That zone up there I had drawn was not even important. It was just something I had on the chart looking at something. It wasn't an actual zone. Now our zone is up on just above the TP2 up there. Our zone would be right here. That's our zone. So what we're looking for right now is to take a long, and our profit target will be about there. So 56 will be 59. Our profit target will be about right here when it happens, roughly. That don't mean we have to hit that profit target, but that's our goal. We try to go for 3 points on this. That's a good job. You can see over here the 1 minute is trying to run up. So we're probably going to, you can see all this chop in here, and that's one of the reasons we got out. We just set our profit target there. Look where we'd be now. We'd be in the hole. We'd actually stopped out because we had our profit target pulled down to here, I think it was, or here, maybe it was here. So we would have stopped out on that and lost money. So when you don't feel comfortable and it's hesitating, if you look at your 1 minute chart as well, you'll see, and you start getting all this chop in here, that it's probably building to go up. As soon as the volume comes in, if it goes to push up, it's going to push up to the London low pretty quick. It may enter the trade and exit so fast that we won't even have time to do anything. I got up this morning a little after 4 a.m., 400 Eastern time. Just woke up. I was wanting to trade the London, but the London, by the time I got up, was already in this one trade here. So, time I got up, we were already in here. And I didn't let it take this one because we were so far down in here. So I didn't let it take it, because usually what will happen is you will get some chop in here before it runs. So I had not traded all morning because of that. You can see through here, we were trying to build up our histograms coming up. We had divergence in here. So that's one thing. I'm going to make an indicator for this, make it easier. But when this is coming down like this, and this is coming up like this, that's divergence. When this is coming down and this is coming up, that's divergence. So you're looking for the pop out. Now it doesn't always happen, right there. But as soon as you get this one over the zero, it is usually going to start going long on you. And that's kind of where we are right now. A lot of people want to see the bots working. It doesn't matter if I show past trades or if you actually watch it. It doesn't matter. It's the same trade. It just takes longer to do it this way. So I try to make some live ones every now and then just so people can see the bots working. Now these indicators on the chart right now are all SPY money products. So it's nothing that has been changed from anywhere else or nothing. This is 100% SPY money. This is the formula that I come up with that works very well. This one here, the bars momentum, and then we have the balance levels. The only thing, the initial balance, I mean, that's nothing, rocket science. It's 1 hour from the opening. It takes the high and the low from the open to the 1 hour later. Just initial balance. So I made an indicator for it. And it shows the shaded area where the 1 hour is. And you got your high, mid, and low. Nothing outstanding. as far as SPY money product. But it is something that we use on our charts daily because it trades those levels all day. I believe I'll be taking me a nap today. I got up really early. Still waiting on the reversal here. We may not get it. It may, look at the 1 minute down here. It's trading right there on the bottom. A lot of chop right here. They're building their position to hopefully go long here. But in the grand scheme of things, you could close down right now and be up $1,850. So $1,850 is a lot of money for one day. Now, some people say those Apex accounts, it costs money, this and that. Well, with a 70% coupon, it's only $50 for a $50,000 account. Where are you going to spend $50 for $50,000? Yeah, access to use $50,000 for $50. And then every month, once you pass, every month it costs you $85 to keep it. There is a 10% that you have to pay Apex, but do you have $50,000 to put in an account? Well, 10% of your profit's not bad. That's not bad for using their money. Think of it like a bank loan. If you want to buy a bunch of rental property, you don't have the money. Most people don't. Even the wealthy will use loans, banks and stuff. They'll use loans for their own money. So think of it like that. Now there is higher taxes because you're on ordinary income for the whole 100%. Where if you have a live account, the first 60% of your profits are taxed at 15%. So if you're on a 40% tax bracket, you're going to pay 25% more taxes on that first 60%. That's the only disadvantage. But having multiple accounts offsets that. So, because you wouldn't be able to make the money you're making on one account. So with having 20 accounts, you can trade 200 contracts at one time. Here we go. Come on, just shoot up there and hit it, and then we can stop. Just need one more trade. And here we go, getting ready to take it. The volume's coming in, getting a push up. We get over this 0, turn this to green, and hopefully get our profit target right on through here. And it burst up, hit it, and then we'll be done. There we go. So we get our stop up here, just kind of mange it. If we get up there kind of close, we'll put our stop in and protect our profit. Come on, just go ahead and push up to the TP2 and grab that thing. It'll probably go right up in here, but we're not going to be greedy. You can see all accounts are trading over here, or to the left. We get up in there, I'm going to put my stop in there. A little bit more. There it is. I'm going to put my stop there just to protect our profit. And we're going to pause our bot. And oh, come on, push up there and grab it. One tick away. Let's bring that down one tick and just let it grab it. Push up there. Well, we got that. So we're still done. We are pretty close to our target. We missed out on 58, 59, 50. So there's one more point there that we could have got. So I should have just closed it out, but I thought it would actually push up and hit it. Usually what I do is I will be one tick under the TP2. That's usually what I do. And if I would have, we would have hit that target. So we're up 225 times 20. So there's a 212 and there's some 200s in here. But that will more than likely go ahead and push up. But we just want to protect our profit. So now we are, let's do a calculator here. So if we figure this up, so we're 250 at 3. So there's 750. Actually, let's do this here. Let me close that out. There's 750. Plus, we have 225 at, actually, there's another 250. So plus the 250. Plus we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 225s. So plus the memory recall is this. So now we're going to do this one as a memory recall, 3250. Plus we've got a 21250. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of those, there's another 1,000, so plus 1,000. So we're at 4462.50. That's a good day. We'll call that a day. We'll be done. We don't need to trade anymore. There's plenty of money. It's kind of slow right now. Maybe a little bit later today, I'll come back in and make one more trade. But as far as right now, we're at 4462.50. And that's a good day. And when you look over here, it's not much money, a couple $100. But when you add it into what we've got, it's a lot more. This right here looks like it's getting ready to hit. But I'm happy with that. We have our 1 minute here that is right up to that level. We had a good burst right there. There it hit. So there's our level. We would hit our target right there and made our full targets. We'd be up to $400 over here now. But again, when we start getting close to these levels, we want to protect that profit. That's how you want to trade. Take a little bit. You can always get it on another account. And again, you can check out the Ninja Suite on our website. Come over here. I won't go through the whole thing, but just go to the Ninja Suite and you can read all about it. Watch this little video, talks more about it. At the bottom, you click right here to lease it. It is lease only. I do not sell this. I get the question every day. A lot of people want to go ahead and buy it, and it's not for sale. It's only lease. So on this one right here, it looks like we're going to go ahead and push up more. We could have made more money. Again, get your money, be done. Don't worry about it. Small profits add up to big bank accounts. And I hope that helps everybody. Hope everybody understands more about it. Have questions, let me know. And if I trade some more, I'll maybe make another video. Don't forget your 70% coupon on Apex. Visit my website. It's on there. Get that. Save you some money. Get you the $50,000 accounts. Those are easy to pass. It's only $3,000 over 10 days, 10 trading days. So it's actually a good deal. Use my coupon, though. Save your money. Have a great day, guys. Enjoy. And I think I'll probably just go run around today. Made a lot of money. Bye.